Underneath the toilet seat, you should find a bolt with a plastic nut. To unscrew the nut, first you could use your hand with a grip glove and then turn the nut in the anti-clockwise direction. If it turns, you're lucky. Otherwise, you will need to use a pliers. Try to grip the nut and turn it in the anti-clockwise direction as shown in here. Luckily, it starts turning. You will need to put a lot of effort to be able to turn this nut. And once it's loose enough, you can remove it completely using your hand. And then you will have to do the same for the other side. The other side can be in a very tight space with a very hard access. You can use your phone's camera or a mirror to be able to see the nut. If you were not able to remove the nut using pliers, then try to use vice grips. And if it's still not possible to remove, then we can cut the plastic nut. For that, you can try to use an utility knife or a hacksaw if you're able to fit in the tight space. The thing that worked for me was a diagonal cutting pliers. After squeezing the nut with the cutting pliers many times, I was able to remove the nut piece by piece, and I was able to finally remove the nut completely. And now you can pull up the toilet seat and it should come out easily.